as I said, each word in Arabic, it's written in different form, depending on the position of that letter. In the beginning, it's written in a form, in the middle, and at the end of the word. So sometimes it can be a little bit hard to learn 28 letters written in different forms depending on the position in the word. But no worries, we have only 5 rules. Applying those rules, you will be able to write letters without any problem. Let's start with the rule number 1. The rule number 1 is related to the letter A. A is one of the most complex letters in writing. In our current level, no worries. It's not important to write correctly the letter A. Just try to identify it inside the word. So letter A could be written in the beginning of the word following those forms, in the middle following that forms, and in the end follow that forms. So in our current level, just identify the letter inside the word, it's enough. Now let's pass to the rule number 2. Rule number 2 is rule that will make easy the writing at the end of the word. Why? Because all the letters, or the majority of letters at the end of the word, is written as the same way to the standard form. So the letters in the standard form are always written the same at the end of the word, just with some exceptions of those letters, which are ha, ta, ra, a. So the rule number 2 says that the majority of letters is written the same way as standard script, except those letters in some cases. And before continue, it's important to know the letters that does not connect on the left side. Usually when we write a word, we connect all the letters together. But those letters, when we use them, we won't connect at left. We will use a space between those letters and the letter that comes later. For example, the letters that don't connect on the left are A, the sign of elongation of A, Da, The, Ra, and Z. Let's get some examples. For example, vinegar. Vinegar in Arabic is khallun. It's continued by the letter Kha, a letter La duplicated. This is the written of the letter Kha. It's different than the standard form because it's written in the beginning, and the next videos we will study how to write letters in the beginning. So this is the letter Kha. Letter Kha does not belong to that list. So we will write normally Kha, and we will link to the next letter, which is La. So this is an example. Now let's check an example if we wrote a letter that exists in that list. For example, ankle is Khalun. We have Kha and with a long sign. So I write Kha. This is sign of elongation of A. This sign belongs to that list. So I let space between that sign and the next letter, and now we have Khalun. So hopefully that video explains to you correctly how to use the letters that don't connect on the left side. Usually when we use one of those letters, we let the space to write the next letter.